Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to back up files before formatting on Windows 10 and show you a simple way to protect your important data before reinstalling Windows. Step 1. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings. This opens the main Windows settings area where System and Backup options are managed. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. This section contains recovery, backup, and update features that help keep your data safe. Step 3. From the left sidebar, click on Files Backup to access File History options. File History is a built-in Windows tool designed to back up personal files automatically. Step 4. Under Backup Files to OneDrive, either click on Add a Drive and choose an external drive or another storage location, or already has been backed up in OneDrive. Selecting a drive tells Windows where to store copies of your important files. Step 5. Once the drive is added, under Backup File using File History, click on More Options to review backup settings. Here you can see which folders are included and adjust how often backups are created. Step 6. Scroll down and click Backup Now to start the backup process immediately. This ensures your files are safely copied before you format your Windows 10 system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.